Why healthy fats like avocados help keep your muscles and skin. Youthful, you've been eating healthy for years, low-fat yogurt, dry toast, maybe a few veggies tossed on the plate. But lately, your skin feels thinner, your energy drops faster, and your muscles, they don't bounce back like they used to. Here's the truth no one told us in our 40s. Cutting fats might have cut our strength too. But there's one rich, creamy food that's quietly restoring both skin and muscle, bite by bite. Ever noticed how some people over 60 glow from the inside out? You're about to learn their secret. Have you felt this shift too, where healthy no longer feels like strength? Let us know in the comments below. As we age, the rules change. And one of the biggest mistakes many of us were taught, to fear fats. Let's rethink that today, starting with a fruit that could become your new best friend, the avocado. For decades we were told, fat, bad, low-fat yogurt, fat-free crackers, light versions of everything. But somewhere along the way, we lost sight of what fat actually does inside the body, especially after 50. You see, fats don't just make food taste better, they make nutrients work. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, meaning your body can only absorb them if fat is present. These vitamins help repair tissue, improve immune function, protect your vision, and keep your skin firm and hydrated. Without fats, those vitamins often pass through your system unused. Healthy fats also provide long-lasting energy. Unlike simple carbs that spike and crash your blood sugar, fats digest slowly, keeping you fuller longer, reducing cravings, and helping to stabilize hormones that regulate muscle breakdown. So when your doctor told you to cut fat to protect your heart, they weren't completely wrong. But the key is what kind of fat. Industrial seed oils? Avoid. Whole food fats like avocado or olive oil? Embrace them. Fat isn't the villain. It's the vehicle that delivers what your body desperately needs to stay strong and supple. Avocados aren't just creamy, they're biochemical gold. Behind that smooth texture lies a powerful nutritional profile that benefits nearly every system in your aging body. Monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, help calm inflammation that otherwise damages muscle fibers, skin tissue, and even internal organs over time. They're also loaded with potassium, a key electrolyte that supports muscle function and nerve signaling, reducing the risk of cramps or fatigue after daily movement. Folate plays an unsung role in cellular repair and cognitive support, while vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, directly supports skin regeneration, elasticity, and protection from oxidative stress. Emerging research even links regular avocado intake to improved gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria. This enhances nutrient absorption, so your body actually makes use of the protein and vitamins you're already eating. Avocados are one of the few foods that naturally contain lutein too, a compound that supports eye health as we age. How to eat it? Half an avocado a day, mashed on toast, sliced into salad, or blended into smoothies. Pro tip, pair it with red pepper flakes, lemon, or even cocoa for a sweet, savory twist. Your body doesn't just digest avocado, it celebrates it. As we age, sarcopenia creeps in. Quiet, steady muscle loss that shows up as slower steps or weaker lifts. It doesn't happen overnight. One day you notice your legs tire faster going upstairs. The next, your grocery bags feel heavier than they used to. While protein is often praised as the key to fighting this decline, it doesn't work alone. Fats are the unsung partner, quietly reducing chronic inflammation, cushioning joints and supporting hormone balance, especially testosterone and estrogen, both of which affect how our bodies build and maintain muscle mass. Healthy fats also help regulate insulin sensitivity. This matters more than you might think, because insulin doesn't just handle blood sugar. It also tells your body whether to build or break down muscle. With poor insulin signaling, you lose muscle even if you eat well. But when you add fats like those in avocado or fatty fish, your body responds better to insulin, preserving strength. One study even found that diets rich in healthy fats preserved more lean mass in older adults than low-fat diets combined with exercise. The takeaway: muscle isn't just made in the gym, it's preserved in the kitchen, one balanced plate at a time. Muscle doesn't only come from the gym, It starts with the right nourishment. Dry patches, sagging, skin that feels paper-thin. These aren't just surface issues. They reflect what's happening inside, especially a lack of omega-9 and vitamin E. Avocados contain both. They hydrate from the inside out, helping your skin stay elastic, plump, and protected against UV damage. Some dermatologists even call avocado nature's moisturizer. The glow you're looking for isn't bottled, it's eaten. Susan, 67, had tried every lotion and supplement for her crepey arms and aching legs. Her bathroom cabinet was full of promises, firming creams, collagen powders, anti-aging serums, yet none of them seemed to truly make a difference. She often wondered if it was just too late. But one day, after reading a simple article about healthy fats and aging, she decided to shift her focus from the outside in to the inside out. She started small, half an avocado with her eggs, a drizzle of olive oil on her roasted vegetables, a handful of walnuts before her afternoon walk. Within just a few weeks, her skin felt more supple, not just on her face, but on her arms and legs. Her knees didn't ache as much after her usual loop around the park. She even noticed a subtle boost in her energy after meals. It wasn't a miracle, it was nourishment. Steady, consistent, and supportive. She began to trust her body again. And perhaps more importantly, she began to trust food again, not as a threat, but as a healing ally. Sometimes the fix isn't more products, it's better food. Avocados are powerful, but they're part of a team, and every team needs variety to win. Different healthy fats provide unique compounds your body craves as it ages. By rotating them, you ensure broader protection against inflammation, oxidative stress, and nutrient deficiencies. Olive oil, a Mediterranean staple. It's rich in polyphenols that reduce inflammation and support heart health. Use it raw over greens, grains, or steamed vegetables to protect its delicate antioxidants. Walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that supports cognitive sharpness and joint mobility. Just a handful can make a difference. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty. These seeds absorb liquid and expand, helping with hydration and digestion. Plus, they provide fiber, omega-3s, and protein, all in one spoonful. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines and mackerel offer long-chain omega-3s, EPA and DHA, critical for reducing inflammation, preserving muscle mass, and supporting cardiovascular health. Tip: use fats to carry flavor, slow digestion, and unlock nutrients, especially fat-soluble vitamins. Think of them not as calories, but as co-pilots in your strength and aging journey. A smart fat isn't just fuel. It's a messenger telling your body you're safe to grow strong again. Morning, add avocado to toast or blend it into a smoothie. The healthy fats in avocado help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, setting the tone for a day of better nutrient use. Lunch. Drizzle olive oil over steamed vegetables, quinoa, or brown rice. It not only enhances flavor, but also provides steady energy without the spikes and crashes common with refined carbs. Pair it with leafy greens to maximize the bioavailability of antioxidants. Evening. A few walnuts with a piece of fruit or a spoon of almond butter on whole grain toast can curb late-night cravings while supporting melatonin production and sleep. Quality post-workout. Don't overlook fats after exercise. A small serving of fatty fish or chia seeds with your protein shake helps repair inflammation and keeps your muscles nourished long after your session ends. Pro tip: combine healthy fats with fiber, like avocado with lentils or olive oil with roasted vegetables, for improved digestion and longer-lasting satiety. Rule of thumb: 2 to 3 tablespoons of healthy fats per day is a sweet spot for most older adults. Spread them out over your meals to maintain balance. Your meals aren't just fuel, they're medicine. When built with intention, aging doesn't mean shrinking. It means refining, learning how to fuel the body we have now, not the one we had at 30. By welcoming back healthy fats, especially avocados, you're not indulging. You're investing in your joints, your glow, your strength, in the life you want to live, with more energy, more joy, and more confidence. You're not falling apart. You're recalibrating, and every bite of the right food helps. Have you added avocados or other healthy fats to your meals lately? What did you notice? Drop your experience in the comments. You might just inspire someone else to make the shift.